All right, so it looks like they got it all boxed in just right now. This is going to be a 6-inch slab throughout. That way when we do a lift and everything, we won't have no problems with having any special anchors or anything like that. We'll be able to just anchor right into the slab for it. Then they're going to do a beam all the way around, across in the center. All right, so they finished up the cutting of the soil and they put the rebar in already. They made the channels for the beams all the way around the perimeter, and then they did the cross in the center right here. This is going to be a 6-inch slab all the way around, and with the beams right here. So they did a pretty good job. They did this pretty quick in a day. They covered up all the dirt with the plastic. We're looking pretty good, guys. Should be tomorrow we get the concrete trucks in here and start pouring. They just went and dropped off all of these also, which I guess that's just some forming stuff, bricks, and then I know that is the J anchors, where when they pour the slab, they'll put those J anchors in there, and it will lock in when the slab hardens, and that is basically what they will build the frame off the metal building. So that's what I know. We did get a big heavy rain in here. A lot of water had came down. I need to build all this up once they get, kind of more completed on this, to level it out and direct the water going out that way, which it already is kind of going that way, but I just need to, figure out a good path for everything, all the water, everything, the drainage to go. So that's good. So we got everything done. This is actually going to be a walkway to a door so I can get on the side. Pretty nice, good walkway here. We'll figure out what we're going to do with this later, if it's going to be, pavers or, asphalt or whatever we're going to do here. But that's the update. Don't worry about any of this. We'll show y'all guys about that later, about these pipes. But tomorrow's concrete, so we'll catch y'all guys early in the morning, 6 a.m. We're going to start getting some trucks out here and start pouring. Well, the slab's all done. They got it all poured out. Did a pretty good job on it. 6-inch slab, like I said. They got the rooms for the garage doors. So from that point all the way down to that point. And then we'll have another one here. This will be where the lift will be for the cars. So did a pretty good job. Now we're just waiting for the metal building to come in. I think they're gonna start that probably next week, so that'll probably be another video also. So tired, y'all guys. We'll have to see y'all guys on the next video. Later.